see the clouds. Wow, it's a foggy afternoon, guys. You have to check out this place. Now, come. Al-al. Ang taas, no? Oh, yun yun. Relax. Banayad ride lang tayo. Imagine, ito na yung 529. Sarap. I-condition na ang iyong mga katawan. Bawal ang ubo at sipon. Ang tarik nito, 45 degrees yata. Never stop. Continue run. Okay, signing out.